Hopeful. Don't know I press again. So earlier on, I put up a thing. I said people need to get embrace of the knowledge from Babylon to Rastafari. And I said a book was written by Douglas Mack. And when I read this book, it was in the 1990s. And I said, wherein it gave me a more ground factual look overs and you know I say the whole in-depth of Rastafarian culture, where it come from, what it's about, and the whole movements. You see me I say. So now I show and say yo, we lack spirituality, confidence within ourselves right now and the movements of who we are as a person. I mean I talk specifically Jamaicans, you see it. So this man you know, Douglas man, I don't know if him dead. I don't call him dead pan about, but when I read this book in the 1990s, him was still alive. He was alive, living in England. So this man here is a part of the people with the group and the whole movements of Selassie coming to Jamaica when Selassie came to Jamaica, and he tell you about Leonard Percival Howell, you know what I'm saying? So, and I will eat more hygiene in the book here, spiritual way, did their works in order for a good life and I live where we are live right now. Musical wise though. If you don't want to know the music I follow from and the deep genre, the music to or reggae and all these start from Bob Marley, the ski and everything, it gear that inside also. So much powers and elements of knowledge in this book here, wherein the book is in a school. Yeah man, Jamaica and Caribbean country likewise, worldwide. The book here, very powerful within knowledge. So this same book here, Chano, Marcus Garvey, you know what I'm saying, Booker T, like the whole gear and full 9 yards. You know what I'm saying, a full breakdown of where we're coming from and to where we're going and how we have got through even right now in our life. You see it? Yeah man, powerful book. You see it? So get embraced with it. From Babylon to Rastafari. Rasta is not about the dreadlocks, the locks. Cut the fuckery and stop place Rasta upon image. Whole heap of Rasta out there without the locks. Real Rasta without this. You see me I say? So this culture, what them have to use, fuck it. And stop water down the Rasta thing. You see me I say, get the facts, get the thing straight. From Babylon to Rastafari.